forever Dave, yeah, that's my name. Three highs in the low.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dave with Ever Dave Outdoors, and today we're going to do something pretty cool for you. We are going to install a WildTop soft top truck cap on our 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD double cab with the 6'9" bed. All right, I'm specifying that because I'm working with WildTop on this install, because this is the first install that they've done, or the first cap that they have built for the 6'9" GMC 22 edition, right? So I'm working with them and getting this. This is a test fit. We'll see if it fits good. If not, we'll make some adjustments and go from there. But this is the WildTop. There'll be a link down below. If you want to go check them out, they got 3 different models: the Scout, the Nomad, and the Beast. And this one is the Nomad. All right. So we're going to do a time lapse, and you guys can watch how this goes. We'll see how it goes. All right. Stay tuned. All right, so first I want to go over what has come in the package. I'm not gonna lie, I did watch a video of one of these being installed, but it was from over a year ago, and on a different truck. So I know what some of these brackets are. I'm gonna have to figure it out to see exactly how it goes. And I know one change that they did is you used to have to screw the kit, like drill holes into your truck to install it, but now they've got these small kits here that just clamp on. That was a recommendation of a previous YouTuber. And then I've got some more brackets here, and it did come with a little WildTop koozie. So there you go. All right, we've got over here, we've got the roof bars, and then we've got the side bars here. And then these are, when I say side bars, like the length of the bed. And then we've got these here for the upright post. And then we have the 4 roof roof bows, there we go. And then this one here is for the back window panel, and then these 2 are for the side window panel, so that you can roll them up properly. All right. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit concerned, because the one thing I noticed that I don't have here on the table, and I don't know if you noticed it or not, is I don't have an instruction manual. So I'm gonna have to take a look and see how we do this. All right. Whew, all right, false alarm. All right, so the last piece that I failed to mention is the canvas itself. That's right here. And then tucked inside the canvas is this amazing welcome pack installation guide. So looks like it's Velcro. There we go. All right, so tells you about welcome to the wild side. There you go. You can read all those things in WildTop installation guide. They also have a website that you can check out stuff, the care for it, the warranty, and any support. And looks like we got a couple of stickers here too. I love stickers. My Yeti loves stickers. So we now have the instructions. So we're gonna get started. Hey, what's up everyone? It is Dave with Ever Dave Outdoors. Hopefully you can hear me. It's a little bit windy out today. This is my 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD with a 6.6 liter and double cab. All right. And this has the 6'9" bed. And now what we've put on here, if you watch the one video that we did, This is our WildTop Nomad soft truck cap with bars in case you ever want to put a rooftop tent on there. Maybe you want to put some kayaks on there, whatever the case may be. All right, so I'm going to give you a little walk around of it. So you can see you got your roof racks. This is integrated into it, guys. It's integrated into it. Cameras are not blocked. Got your WildTop logo there. All the way over on this side as well. Very, very clean. Each of these, I have 3 panels that I can roll up. So I can roll up the sides and I can roll up the back. And then to do that, I'll pause real quick and get you on the tripod. All right, so here we go. I'm just gonna do the back because the sides are the exact same. You got these really nice zippers with a WildTop pull tag on it here. You just do each side. And you gotta watch out to make sure it doesn't get hooked up on the little flap underneath. It's got a bar in here so that it helps you roll it up. We'll just roll it on up here. All right. And then it's got these magnets. Just come around, stick right up on the top. I can still get into my tailgate. No problem whatsoever. All right. Then you got the bed of my truck. You can see inside. Now, they have 3 models of this, like I said. They've got the Scout, the Nomad, and the Beast. The Beast has more window options and such, but this is the Nomad. And I love the rooftop racks. Here again, I can put a rooftop tent up there. I can put whatever I want. All right, so all right, let's give you guys another look. So if you have, I think it's 19 through 24 on the Sierras that have the 6'9" bed. This will 100% work for you now. They did not have this available until this one right here. This is the first one that they have produced, and I think it's pretty cool. All right, I love it. It's gonna make towing the camper easier. I can put stuff in the back, and granted, it's not a hard top, so it's not as secure, but hey, people want something bad enough, they'll get it. All right. Appreciate y'all watching this video, and if you want to get one of these for your truck, just click the link down below. There'll be a link that will take you directly to it, and you can take a look and shop and see which one that you might want to add. All right, I love it. God bless.